Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to score leads in HubSpot CRM step by step, designed for beginners and small businesses in 2026. Let's get started. Lead scoring in HubSpot helps you identify your most valuable prospects. By assigning points based on behaviors and properties, you can prioritize leads and focus on the ones most likely to convert. First, log in to your HubSpot account. From the top menu, go to Contacts. Lead scoring or navigate to Properties, Create Property, Score. Start by defining the criteria for your scoring. Behavior-based criteria include email opens, form submissions, website visits, or content downloads. Property-based criteria include job title, company size, location, or industry. Assign points for each action or property. For example, plus 10 points for a demo request, plus 5 points for visiting pricing pages, or plus 5 points for specific job titles. You can also assign negative points for behaviors that indicate low engagement, such as unsubscribing or inactivity. Once your scoring rules are set, HubSpot automatically calculates lead scores for each contact. You can view lead scores in the contact record and sort leads based on these scores. Use lead scores to prioritize follow-ups. High-scoring leads should be contacted first, while low-scoring leads can be nurtured with automated campaigns. Integrate lead scoring with workflows. You can automatically assign high-scoring leads to sales reps, send internal notifications, or trigger personalized emails. Regularly review and adjust your scoring criteria. As your business grows, update rules to reflect changes in lead behavior and value. In summary, scoring leads in HubSpot CRM helps you focus on the most promising prospects, increase conversion rates, and improve sales efficiency. By using behavior-based and property-based criteria, workflows, and prioritization, you can manage your leads effectively in 2026. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials.